Pwede bang mag-ampon ang LGBTQIA+ couples dito sa Pilipinas? No, but there is a way around it. Under Philippine law, adoption is governed by RA 11642. At dito malinaw na sinasabi, a single person can adopt regardless of gender or sexual orientation. Pero kapag same-sex couple na, nako, dito na nagkakaroon ng complications. Bakit? Because under Philippine family laws, lalo na sa family code natin, marriage is only recognized between a man and a woman. At dahil doon, joint adoption is only allowed between legally married couples, meaning pag lalaki at babae lang ang kinasal. Kaya ngayon, ang pwede lang gawin ng LGBTQI+ partners ay ang tinatawag nating single adoption. Only one partner adopts legally. Yung isa will stay as an emotional or parental figure pero wala siyang legal rights. Parang lang tong isang bahay na sabay niyong tinayo, sabay niyong plinano, pero in the end, isa lang ang nakapangalan sa titulo. So, siya lang ang may legal rights dito sa bahay na to. So, why does this even matter? Kasi pwede itong maging issue sa mga sitwasyon gaya ng pagdedesisyon sa ospital para sa bata, mana at pagmamana, pag-aasikaso ng mga papeles sa paaralan, at ang custody ng bata kapag namatay or naghiwalay na ang legal parents. And it is exactly this why we should keep continuing to push for equal rights. Love knows no gender. Pero pagdating sa batas, nako, medyo may inequality pa rin tayo pagdating dyan. Kasi adoption at its core is about love. Love na pumipili, nag-aalaga, at bumubuo ng pamilya. The kind that builds a home. This is Attorney Mix Nograles, here to make the law simple for you. Amping Kanunay.